Hey guys, this is DshackTech, and today I'll be doing another Mac OSX Helpful Hints episode. Let's get started. So first off today, we have Spaces and Exposé. This is just a really cool customization feature on OSX software that really allows the user to create and organize workspaces. What I mean by this is to have 4 different spaces that allows you to have like your Safari browser and your Twitter account in that space, your iTunes and stickies, and whatever you want in each space. So to do this, all you gotta do is go into System Preferences, go into Exposé and Spaces, and so basically this is your settings page for spaces. Right now I have 4 spaces. I think you can have up to like 16 or something like that. Yeah, you have 16. I really don't see the use in this, but if you're just some insane programmer and you have need for 16 spaces or whatnot, you could do that potentially with spaces. But I like to keep things simple, so I like 4 spaces. Along with that, you can manually just switch whatever you want into each space. You can change entire spaces as well. So if I want all my stickies in my top right, I can do that. But I'm gonna keep things like the way they were, just like that. And so along with changing out spaces, you can have specific application assignments. So right now I have assignment on my Twitter account. Basically by doing this, I have it always in space 2, which means whenever I open it up, it will always bring me to space 2. So it brings me to space 2. There it is. You can do this with a whole bunch of applications that you get for your App Store, as well as just regular utilities that you get with the OSX software. That is application assignments. Along with that, you get shortcuts with the function keys 1 through 8, as well as command arrow keys and number keys, as well as mouse buttons. If some mouses aren't that insane with buttons, mine is, so I utilize that. Along with spaces, you also get Exposé. This allows you to have hot corners to be more efficient in doing special operations such as getting to your desktop, getting your dashboard, getting to spaces, and putting your display to sleep more easily. What I mean by this is hot corners is each 4 corners of your desktop will allow you to do a specific function. So right now my top right corner, as you've just seen, is spaces. I go to the top right, I put my mouse in the top right corner, it brings me to spaces. Top left corner will put all my my windows to the side and let me see my desktop. Bottom left corner will bring me my dashboard, and the bottom right corner will bring me put my display to sleep. These are not the default settings. This is what I do for my personal preference. You could do whatever you want. You could put dashboard in the top left, whatever you want. It's free domain for that. Along with hot corners, you also have function keys, just like spaces 9, 10, 11. You also have the mouse buttons as well, and that goes for dashboard as well. That is Exposé and Spaces. I think is a really cool customization tool with the OSX software that allows for greater customization and efficiency with workspaces. Next up, we have how to take a screen recording. Basically, to do this, you just go into QuickTime Player. Nothing will come up just yet. I think you have to be a QuickTime Pro, but I'm not sure. I'll leave more information in the description box below, getting more information on that. And then all you gotta do is go into File and New Screen Recording. This will be highlighted and a link able to begin. I can't do this right now because I am using it right now. And all you gotta do is hit screen recording, and you show up a big red button, and you hit that, and you off and running. It does allow you to put microphones, plug in microphones, and that's the way you get audio if your computer does not come with audio previously. There are more efficient, better ways to do screen recordings. I think some of you guys might have heard of ScreenFlow, but that is a paid application. Luckily, QuickTime is a free application. So that's how I do my screen recordings, using QuickTime Player. I did not know about this until a little bit while ago. I think it's a really cool thing that Apple has done. I think that they should advertise more often. So that's the for today. I'll be talking about how to change your dock into many ways. So all you gotta do is go into System Preferences, go into Dock. So basically, this is your settings page for your dock. So right now I have medium or average size for the dock, but you can have it as large as you want if you have like really bad eyesight or something, you need it that big or something, or you can have it as small as you want. But I like it medium, just like that. You can also change the magnification. What I mean by this is you go to max and it will pop up really huge. I think that's quite annoying. I like it just the way it was, where it's a little bit pop up. And then the main thing is for me is to change the position on the screen. So if you guys ever seen where other desktops you have it on the right or left side and you really want to know how to do this, well, this is where it is. All you gotta do is hit left and it'll bring your dock to the left. It'll also bring it to the right. Now this is a really cool way. If you have a whole bunch of windows open that take to the bottom of the screen but the right side is open, you could do that, and it allows you quick access to your dock. Along with dock position, you also have how to minimize windows. So basically right now I am using Genie effect, and what I mean by this is if you minimize in slow motion, it'll look like a Genie effect where it sucks it in and goes into the system preferences just like Genie in a bottle, and there it just sucks right back out. Along with Genie effect, you also have scale effect. What I mean by this is just minimize just the same way. It'll just scale right down into the system preferences and scale right back out. Just a quick hint to do that, all I did was hit shift and hit minimize at the same time, and that does everything in slow-mo. Along with how to minimize windows, you also have automatically hide or show dock. Basically this will hide your dock if you're not using it. All you gotta do is put your mouse on it and it will bring it back up, and that's a good way to have more efficient desktop room area. If you have lots of windows open and you need more room and you don't need your dock always present, that's a cool way to keep it, hide it or not hide it. That is it for having to change your dock. I think those are really cool tips. I think you guys go check out and use potentially to make your work process more efficient. That is it for me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, DshackTech, for more app reviews, app news and rumors, Mac OSX tips, as well as jailbreak and theme reviews. Leave any thoughts about this video in the comment section below, and any potential tips or hints that you guys want me to do in future Mac OSX tips. Follow me on Twitter, and as always, thanks for watching.